All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to move a channel to a YouTube brand account if it isn't already there. Um, this process is crazy, kind of stupid, and they've changed it 3 times in the 4 years I've been on YouTube. So I imagine that this process will be changed again quite soon. Anyway, this is our YouTube channel. I just made it. It's called Ya Boy Channel. It's where Ya Boy will put all his cool videos. But Ya Boy wants to be a brand. So, how are we going to do this? So, I'm following along with this how-to. So, first we're going to go to youtube.com/channel_switcher. We're going to click on create a channel. We're going to give it a name. We're going to call it Ya Boy's Brand. Create. It takes a few minutes for the channel to populate, but it's initially going to say channel does not exist, even though you're on the channel's account. I'm going to refresh it. I'm going to refresh it again. Eventually it'll work. Why it does this, but it does. Bear with me. It'll work. Okay, the account has finally populated. So our next step here is we're going to go back to channel switcher. We're going to select Ya Boy's channel here. In the upper right-hand corner, we're going to click on the logo there, the Y for Ya Boy. We're going to go to settings. Over on the left, we're going to go to advanced settings. On the bottom, we're going to click on move your channel or account to a different brand. It's going to ask me for my password. This is why it's important that you have the channel owner with you when you do it, because it's going to make them do a double opt-in on their phone or their mobile device. So now I have to open up my phone. I have to hit the little number to confirm it. It's making me do it again. I don't know why. I'm going to do it again. Maybe I hit the wrong number. All right, now we're approved. So we're going to, now on the bottom here, it says choose an account to move this channel to. We see Ya Boy's brand. This is the one we just created. We're going to replace it. It's going to bring up a box that says delete this channel. So what we're doing is we're deleting the second channel we made to move our other one to a brand account. I know this sounds crazy, but that's how it works. So we created our first channel. We created our second channel. So then our first channel gets moved to our second channel, and our second channel gets deleted. It sounds insane. That's how it works. So you're going to click the boxes as I understand and wish to proceed, and then you're going to hit delete channel. Now it's going to say you want to move and update your channel. So now the original channel we started with is going to be moved to a brand account. So we're going to click to move to a brand account. It has been successfully moved. Now we have to add and remove channel managers. Once again, this is why you have to do this part with the channel owner next to you, because it's going to make them do a double confirm on their mobile device again. So now you're going to go to studio.youtube.com. You're going to select the channel we just moved to a brand account. over on the left, you're going to click on settings. You're going to click on permissions. And it's going to bring up a menu that gives you two options. The first is keep managing permissions in your brand account or move permissions to YouTube Studio. You're going to want to use the first option, which is keep managing permissions in your brand account. So you're going to click manage permissions. It's going to bring up another window. In the menu that comes up, you're going to click manage permission. It's going to ask you on your phone to do the double confirm again. So now, once again, you're going to click on manage permissions again. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click the plus sign for invite new users, click the person's email, assign the role of manager, and then hit invite, and you have finished the process. One note about this. Obviously, we created two channels in this process. The client is most likely already going to have a channel they want to move to a brand account. So they're not going to have to create the first channel like we did. The first channel should already exist. But the second channel they create and that their channel is going to replace on the brand account, a note. Whatever they name that second channel is what their brand account will be called. So they should name it something that is appropriate for the brand, not just a filler name like we used here. So I hope you found this helpful. This has been how to create a brand account. I would definitely recommend you watch this video more than once since there is quite a few steps and it is a little confusing. And best of luck.